Gulf Capital Collector expects Dogecoin to grow 4.7% by April 18. Before we jump in, let's assess the latest chart data. Dogecoin has shown a 1.3% rise in the past 24 hours and is hovering near $0.09781. Let's head into the forecast segment. The forecast by Digital Coin Price suggests $0.09723 by April 18, a value about 0.6% lower than now. Coin Codex puts the target for Dogecoin at $0.09797, about 0.1% above current value. Crypto Predictions points out the price could rise to $0.09849, about 0.7% above current value. A different analysis from Gulf Capital Collector projects Dogecoin could advance to $0.10247, a potential gain close to 4.7%. And lastly, 30 Rates expects the price to reach $0.1038 by tomorrow, 6.1% up. This is the strongest return outlook of all. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. With forecasts in mind, let's explore what's behind each one. Looking at the projections, the market could shift between a drop of 0.6% and a gain of 6.1%. The final takeaway is that 30 Rates expects the top return with 6.1% gain in value by tomorrow. As the data shows, you could collect between $1 and $61 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, Coin Codex's forecast suggests the most probable outcome, with a 87.9% chance of success. By merging the 5 forecasts, I've shaped a single consensus view. The consensus projection keeps Dogecoin trending higher towards $0.09999. Let's crack this open. The consensus figure shows the price moving up 2.2% by tomorrow. In other words, your capital could also see an increase of 2.2%, reflecting that same shift. With $1,000 invested, the implied gain would be roughly $22. And overall, this consensus outcome for Dogecoin is given a probability of 71.7%. Let's take a moment to explore the market direction for the next 3 days based on analysts' views. Digital Coin Price suggests upward pressure will persist. Coin Codex expects downward momentum to persist. Crypto Predictions signals the price is following an ascending path. In this forecast, Gulf Capital Collector emphasizes stability, expecting Dogecoin to stay unchanged. 30 Rates notes that Dogecoin could push higher. Bringing all analyst views together, the consensus points to Dogecoin trending upward over the next 3 days. From this overview, the majority conclusion is that Dogecoin will lean upward over the coming 3 days. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Today we look at them in detail. In the end, the daily session finished at $0.09919. 4 out of 5 analysts had the direction correct. As far as accuracy goes, Coin Data Flow stood out on top. Let's organize the outcomes for a clearer picture. The candle's limits included 2 predictions. For ROI, multiple analysts stayed in the green, with Coin Codex leading at 6.9%. Up next, the results view. A clear picture of how all forecasts worked out. In this comparison, Coin Data Flow was assigned 37.3% forecast probability, inaccuracy, and 5% ROI. Take a look and find out who stood out in this set of forecasts. Now we'll see how Dogecoin stands in tomorrow's expected returns compared with a few others. Dogecoin is positioned at second place, with Arbitrum leading overall at 4.5%. At the moment, Dogecoin is reviewed with 4 cryptocurrencies, but a full comparison featuring many others will soon be on my site and Telegram. Subscribe now so the next major move doesn't slip past you. See you tomorrow.